Moho ain't like let's connect. Well, many of us carry invisible weights from our childhoods that show up in how we trust and how we love and how we see ourselves. I'm sitting down with counseling psychologist and traditional healer Vuyani Vitalis Nyezi to talk about the father wound and how we can actually begin to heal those parts of ourselves. Well, it's a day after Father's Day, and of course it can be very emotional for a lot of people. Thank you for joining us. I mean, I don't know, why is it like that? Why Father's Day can be one of those emotional days?
Okay, ngiyalumedisa molweni sanibona.
Molo.
Vuyani Vitalis Nyezi. Hayi thina sithi isisuka ka life changing journey sishintsha impilo zabantu. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi this host. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga.
Yes, coming back to the topic, this topic is very sensitive. I think it affects almost everyone, like every family, every community, everywhere. So yes, it's a celebration, Father's Day, abantu bakhuluma kamnandi ngobaba, baba this, baba that, baba ngikhulisile. But the sad part ukuthi kwabanye abantu it's a reminder, a memory ukuthi ubaba kwenzeka kahle, azange kuhambe kahle empilweni yami. So kuba buhlungu, kufanele ukuthi it's a constant reminder ukuthi mina kunobuhlungu engadlula kubona, nokunobuhlungu obenzeka empilweni yami. So into a celebration, yes, but is very painful.
It's very painful. Okay, so in terms of like masikhuluma nge father wound, kahle kahle sikhuluma ngani?
Okay, ngiyithi mina emotional pain or emotional wound into engabonakali, so into esebenzisa imizwa kakhulu. So it's an emotional pain or psychological, like a little bit of spiritual pain. Into esebenzisa imizwa kakhulu ngoba ayibonakali. Uma ngilimele la ngafaka umrapha noma ufaka something liquid ngibe writing poem. But lana sikhuluma nge emotional problem. So it's a deep inside phakathi ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yakho. Lana sikhuluma about the unconscious mind. Sikhuluma about emizweni deep inside ukuthi ulimele. So into esebenzisa imizwa kakhulu.
So ngesinye isikhathi sinokuthi mhlambe masikhuluma ngabantu abangaba bakhubazekile kanjalo sicabanga ukuthi abantu who their fathers are not physically in their lives. Kuyenzeka ukuthi kusho ukuthi ukhona ubaba kodwa you still have the same emotional pain?
Yes, ngiyabonga question. Kuyenzeka kakhulu. Lapho sikhuluma ngobaba khona kodwa ufana ukuthi akekho. Example ukuthi mhlambe uyakhokhela esikoleni, uqoka kahle, ukuthi yadliwe ekhaya kodwa akekho available emotionally. Akakhombisa uthanda, akakhombisi ukukhathala, akakhombisi uba available nje uphuma esikoleni akubuza ukuthi how was the day, how was it going empilweni yakho, mhlambe ngumfana uyakhula, uyadinga that belonging, uyadinga uthando kodwa ukhona kodwa awukho. So umuntu nje okhona practical ukuthi uhlala ekhaya uyabona ukuthi uyaphuma uyangena kodwa empilweni yami awukho. So umuntu emotionally unavailable. Okay, so masasihlangana nabantu nje izinto ezinjani like signs ezingabona ezisho ukuthi amshayibana mhlambe lo is dealing with a father issues. Izinto ezinjani that such people have? Ngiyabonga umbuzo sesiwami. Yabona ke le ama signs nama symptoms ijulile maningi kakhulu. Ngizama summarize. Ake sikhulume ngo number 1 ukuthi never enough syndrome. Yabona umuntu osebenza kakhulu. Hleze uyahamba ekseni ngo6, ubuye ebusuku ngo9 like workaholic. Usebenza kakhulu. Uhleze ufuna uprove point. Uhleze ubafuna uba perfect. Ufuna yonke into ihambe kahle ngendlela yakhe. And uhleze ufuna validation kwabanye abantu besilisa. Ukuthi ufuna check ukuthi ngempela ku right yini, project ihamba kahle, umsebenzi ngi right yini yabo. Okunye ukugqama kakhulu kuma relationship.
Okay.
Hayi, they never trust. Angahleze kubuza ukuthi uphuma phi wenzani, and ngebhathi they attract the same energy.
Okay.
Abantu abanenkinga efana neyakhe.
Okay.
Abadlulekile. Yes, okunye futhi hyper independent. Abona umuntu ungalifuna usizo wathi angiright mina. Awubafo ukusatudisana ufike efike therapy esikhuluma wathi ayikhuleka dokotela ngiright mina, ngiright. So umuntu ongalifuna usizo akananda abanosizo yena uright yena impilo yakhe nje perfect. Omunye unenkinga yeauthority.
Okay.
Emsebenzini akatshelwa. Hayi akatshela nje afuna ukutshela nje. Uhlezi nje edefend ama rules nani. Especially ama boss labantu besilisa. Abona ukuthi nje nobaba nje oyiboss noma uthina akamuzwa bezwani. So unalo nkinga. So bakuningi akubala bekuningi. So bayabonakala nje kakhulu labantu. So mase sikhuluma ke nge confidence I father wound issue I affecta kanjani let's say I confidence in a sense of self worth mhlambe kuma relationship or empilo in general ukuzithemba uya affecteka kule
kakhulu siswami kakhulu ngaba ngombuzo ngoba phela ubaba uyena umuntu okukhulisayo umuntu ogrumayo umuntu oza ne guidance ne protection nothando nakho konke so if lezi zinto ungayitholanga ku foundation ekhuleni kwakho so ngeke uzube ube nayo into ngeke ube nayo identity ngeke uzuyibona ubalekile ngeke uzibone ngeke uzethembe kuningi nje okukulahlekelayo empilweni yakho so nje confidence no value nayo yonke into ukuthi nje ube wena masikhuluma apha nama power dynamics ukuthi ube into ukhule ukwazi ukuthi ube umholi because zonke lezi zinto awuyithola ngoba zange uholwe azange ulekele zange ulithola uthanda zange uyithola that authority that voice ezokukhulisa ekudodise so nje uba nenkinga kakhulu.
So kuyahlukana mhlambe makumuntu kubantu besilisa nabantu besimame yabona le way I manifesta ngakhona le fatherhood wound
iwound yes iyabonakala yazi iyawuvalepha kancane ama difference kodwa okuningi khona common kufana ne trust I trust is common ngoba lo wesilisa vele akathembi kalutho nowesifazane naye khona uhlezi akahlalisekile ku relationship unehlezi ne anxiety njenga engana source ukuthi sukapi and uhlezi ufuna validation from men ukuthi nje ngiright yini kwamba kahle even ku relationship uzofuna validation nenye indoda ukuthi ufuna ukuthi manje approved ngempela phela ku right yini and abathembi akabangasuka kule relationship athe kulena bekuleyana nje umuntu ongahlalisekile umuntu nje obonakalayo nje ukuthi nje uhlezi ufuna ukuhamba so abantu besilisa ke obviously abantu besilisa ama power dynamics ukuthi uhleze neenga abanye bayaphuza abanye baboshiwe bane basuthi uyalandela istory mhlawumbe sokhuluma about ama interventions later on kodwa basuthi uyalandela yabona ukuthi kunenkinga la so abesilisa nje nabo bahlezi befuna validation banenkinga zama relationship nabo kakhulu njengoba kade ngikhuluma indaba workaholic uhlezi emsebenzini uhlezi ebusy and akanasikhathi.
So mase ngibukile mhlambe namhlanje ngiyakuzwa doctor uyakhuluma bese ngiyayibona ukuthi amen lento okhuluma ngayo into enginayo what are the things engazenza to start the healing journey
no life changing journey ungena lapho ke manje let's khuluma khona ngetransformation ukuthi yaze lento ifuna ucophelele you must be very very careful modela nomuntu kanje so you must be very gentle and soft mokhuluma naye. Number 1 ifuneka umncenga understand as acknowledge ukuthi there is a problem in fatherhood and obviously we must identify the story ukuthi kahle kwenzakaleni la then silandeleke sicheck ama beliefs akhe sicheck the subconscious level ukuthi umuntu kanjani kwenzakalana mhlambe ila ku therapy sesingena khona ku timeline therapy sibheke sihlehle sibuyele emuva ukuthi okay shothi kwenziwe 1 or 2 or 3 vele abantu abafani abantu bahlukene so kufuneka ujule kakhulu and usebenzise that's why ngizobe ngikhuluma indaba ze-spirituality later on because ila understand khona kulo umuntu kanjani kodwa egcineni lo muntu lona uyayidinga i-grief counseling because something has been missing empilweni yakhe for a longest time then ke siyaqala umfaka kwi-therapy nakhona kwi-therapy uzosebenzisa i-belief system yakhe ukuthi umuntu kanjani because mina ngisebenza ngendlela eyiningi so kubalulekile ukuthi understand ukuthi umuntu unjani kodwa nje kufuneka adile ne-reality iqiniso lokuthi sinale nkinga manje.
So mhlambe once they get on that journey I mean does it require forgiveness for this father or
ngiyayibonga umbuzo because omnye vele athi therapy is about forgiveness. Forgiveness is just part of the journey. Forgiveness yes iyangena kodwa into ebalekile lana wena yana ngeke uzukhohle ukuthi hayi kumele ngizukhohle noma ungazi kwenzakaleni kumele yonke into yakho impilo yakho uyiunderstand uyifunde wena ukuthi umuntu kanjani yabo so ku therapy ke singena deep down kuma stages e-healing kodwa i-forgiveness hayi ukuthi i-healing depende ku forgiveness forgiveness is just part of the story so ibalekile i-forgiveness ukuthi siyifake ku-healing la sifuna ukuthi uhile sifuna uqala impilo kabusha ube umuntu ongcono.
So umlayezo mhlambe ongathini kubabukeli at home who want to heal ukuthi what sort of message can you give to them to get on this journey of healing with the kind of work that you do?
Into engayisho mina ebalekile ngiyabonga lo mbuzo ukuthi lento efatherhood I think yaba affect bonke abantu I think nje almost every family community emsebenzini ihlezi khona think of a situation of a wound that is coming from another wound mhlambe kababa wena umuntu esifazane ukhulisela ingane ekunale nkinga naye izophinde futhi i-cause the same problem. So kuba ngithola ukuthi it's a generational problem manje, and it comes zenza ngathi i-family problem or generational wound. So kuyafuneka abantu bawazi ama-symptoms, ba-understand. Njengoba kade ngisho ukuthi akhona ama-symptoms abantu besifazane, but abona agqame kakhulu kulabantu besilisa. That's why sikhuluma ngeindaba zokuthi abalaleli, abafuna ukutshelwa, they can't trust, bafuna ukuthi bahlezi be-perfect, abafuna isizo. So yamele ukucophelela umuntu nomtshela ukuthi mfethu, how about mhlawumbe kuba nobhuti wakho, ubaba omncane, ubhuti omdala, umalume, even ubaba ekhaya. Ukuthi baba kanjani mhlawumbe ukuthi ngithola usizo khona nomuntu omethembayo ekhoneni, ngoba unyezi into ayizenzayo zi-confidential, zi-private, akekho umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi uthola usizo. So into engayicebisa abantu bakithi base-Afrika ukuthi lukhona usizo, yonke into esiyenzayo izoba private, kodwa ngiyacela ukuthi abantu bacophelele ngoba labantu ba-sensitive. Ungavele ukhulume nje uzovele hayi right mina right funa therapy. So engathi ungamncenga umbonise kahle ngoba lo muntu uyalidinga uthando lwethu, uyiphathi yomndeni, uyiphathi yomphakathi. So lento iyavela emsebenzini khona, isemasontweni, isemphakathini, iyinkinga nje e-affecta wonke umuntu eyibonakala emphakathini.
No, siyabonga isikhathi sowusiphesona, mhlambe uzobuya ngelinye ilanga sichubeke ngale nkulumo. Siyabonga.
There you have it. Well, when we come back, we're heading to the track. Rico lives life in the fast lane, and he's going to show us exactly what it takes to handle a Ferrari. Excuse us, Lewis Hamilton wannabe.